myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. India on Monday recorded 39,796 new COVID-19 cases and 723 deaths according to the data from the Union Health Ministry. There are a total 3,585,229 cases in the country and as many as 2,97,430 people have recovered from the disease. There are 4.82 lakh active cases at present, while the overall deaths total has crossed 4.02 lakh. Kerala reported 12,000 new cases in the last 24 hours. And Kerala continued to have more than 1 lakh active cases out of 723 deaths recorded on Sunday, and Maharashtra reported over 300. The ministry said that 35 crore 28,92,046 vaccine doses have been administered so far. Meanwhile, as many 6.77 crore doses, almost a fifth of all doses given since vaccination began on January 16, have been administered across the country in the just under 2 weeks since India returned to the centralized procurement and distribution of COVID-19 vaccine. According to the official data, the 6.77 crore doses administered in the last 13 days from the June 21 to July 3 representative 67% increase in the vaccination over the preceding 13-day period, that is June 8 to 20. Daily vaccination have averaged 52.08 lakh since June 21 compared at 13.20 lakh in the preceding 13 days, the data show. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor. For trade inquiry, mail care @rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800-258-7060. Petrol prices saw a rise in the prices again by 31 to 39 paise again on July 5, taking to the historic high. However, the diesel rate remained unchanged in the last 2 months. Petrol prices increased by 34 times. The diesel prices saw a surge in price 33 times. Delhi, Kolkata were the only cities where petrol and diesel prices returned below rupees 100. In the national capital, petrol price stand 99 rupees 90 paise a litre and diesel price at 89 rupees 40 per litre. Meanwhile, in Kolkata, petrol price stood at 99 rupees 88 paise per litre and diesel remained 92 rupees 31 paise per litre. Petrol price remained above rupees 100 per litre in other metro cities of Mumbai, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad and Pune. Motion Open Scholarship Test for Class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 2021 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center. You can contact the number 943482278. Young Generation Blood Donor Welfare Society celebrate in 20th anniversary in the premises of National Marriage Hall in Siddiqui Bridge of Rail Par, Asansol. Around 120 units of blood were collected here on this association in such a pandemic situation. Severed dignitaries address gathering asking to donate blood as it not linked with any caste, creed and religion. It only saves life of dying person. It's an living example of the society connected with the people due to which 120% donated blood. Spontaneously, there is nothing to hide in it. dignitary is present where Parabir Dhar, the pioneer of blood donation movement in the area, Dr. Nikhilesh Chandra Das, Superintendent of Asansol District Hospital, Dr. Gurban Ali, President of the Society, Bilal Khan, Secretary, former Councillor Haji Nasho, Wasimul Haq, Dr. Sunil Gupta, Sujait Hussain, Headmaster of the Rahmania HS School, Rajesh Kedia, Fansabi Alia, Raja Gupta, Parveza Akhtar, Saeed, etc. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Last year, Chief Minister of West Bengal announced ₹10 for HS student for tablet for continue of study. Almost students of all school in Asansol subdivision are got the amount, but student of Baranpur Boys High School and Baranpur Girls School could not get it. Today, student of Baranpur Boys High School submitted application to avail them this opportunity forwarded by Sri Malay Ghatak, Minister of Malay Law and Jurisdiction. It is to be noted that this year there are around 300 students in boys and girls section. They are in need of it as schools are not open in pandemic. Most of the students could not afford it. They went to Sri Ghatak, who patiently gone through their problem and forwarded it to DM for consideration. It was led by Vinu Srivastava, Nikhil Gupta, Vivek Mandal, Amit Das, Aditya Shah, SK Fazal, Shivam Yadav and other 20 students of the school. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. This time, leftist students joined the youth movement in Vaccine Sangathan of the outgoing deputy mayor. Under the leadership of the state president of DYFI, Meenakshi Mukherjee, protesters were staged by surrounding the Kulti Borough office of Asansol Municipal Corporation. At the same time, deputation was handed over regarding the demand to punish Tabassum. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Day after the worth-laying program in memory of Shahid Kamir Nirgu Dube, Baranpur Red Volunteers provided lunch to 250 slum dwellers near Arsing Bandh, Lalmati, Daspara and Kathgola Maidan. Nirgun Dube wife Lolita Devi, son Bipul Dube, Bipyan Roy, Ashok Mukherjee, Arvindo Ghosh, Partha Mukherjee, Sunir Mal Mukherjee, Red Volunteer, Argushman Mukherjee, Pratik Gupta, Paulmin Chakravarti, Anujit Sen Gupta, Arghya De, Ayan Mukherjee, Sujit Dube, Sebag Sen Gupta, Abta Hirapur Chak. On behalf of Secretary Madhumita Roy, Ebon Sunir Mal Mukherjee, Baranpur Red Volunteer, 14,500 rupees provided to Baranpur Red Volunteer.
एक लाइन कीजिए, थोड़ा लाइन में डिस्टेंस रखिए। जाओ तो
Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. The controversy caused by the injection of a woman by Tabassum Ara, a member of board governor in COVID vaccine camp of sex worker organized by the municipal corporation Sitarampur Chabakka, is not going away. In this case of a show causes, notice has been issued by administrative board of corporation to commissioner of the corporation. The same main opposition party BJP has also logged a written complaint at the police station seeing this difficulty on Monday. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Price of petrol and diesel is skyrocketing amid rising prices in the country. The price of petrol has skyrocketed by 100%, which is practically the plight of middle class. On this day, the worker of Salanpur block ASUCI joined the protest against the central government increase in the petrol and diesel prices in the Salanpur block.
1 জুলাই থেকে আগামী 7 জুলাই অবধি গোটা পশ্চিমবাংলা ব্যাপী পেট্রোল, ডিজেল, রান্নার গ্যাস এবং কেরোসিনের যেটা সরকারি ভর্তুকি সরকার থেকে তুলে দিচ্ছে, গরিব মানুষের উপর প্রতিদিন বোঝা চাপাচ্ছে। নিত্য প্রয়োজনীয় জিনিসের দাম তো আছেই, তেল থেকে শুরু করে চাল ডাল, এমন একটা জিনিস নেই যার দাম বাড়ছে না। এর প্রতিবাদে গোটা দেশব্যাপী আন্দোলন গড়ে তোলার সূচনা হিসেবে আমাদের রাজ্য কমিটির পক্ষ থেকে আগামী 6 তারিখ গোটা পশ্চিমবাংলা জুড়ে বিভিন্ন ব্লক, এসডি অফিস, ডি অফিসে ধর্না বিক্ষোভ, যেখানে যেমন পারবে আমরা কর্মসূচি পালন করব। এই ব্লকেও আমরা আগামী 6 তারিখ বিক্ষোভ কর্মসূচি পালন করব। গোটা দেশের মানুষকে প্রাথমিকভাবে এটাই যে আজকে মানুষ ভাবছে যে আর কিছুই করার নেই, অসহায়, মোদি যা বলবে তাই শুনতে হবে। এর বিরুদ্ধে গোটা দেশব্যাপী একটা আন্দোলন জোয়ার সৃষ্টি করার জন্য আমাদের দলের পক্ষ থেকে একটা উদ্যোগ নেওয়া হয়েছে এবং সমস্ত দলকে বলা হচ্ছে এর বিরুদ্ধে একটা যৌথ আন্দোলন গড়ে তুলে গোটা দেশব্যাপী, শুধু পশ্চিমবাংলা না, গোটা দেশব্যাপী একটা আন্দোলন গড়ে উঠুক, যা মোদি একটার পর একটা শুধু জিনিসপত্রের দাম নয়, চাষিদের ক্ষেত্রে যে 3টে কালাকানুন দীর্ঘ 7 মাস ধরে দিল্লিতে সবাই জানে চলছে, সেখানেও সে অন্ধ বধির হয়ে আছে, শুনতে পাচ্ছে না। একটার পর একটা কলকারখানা বন্ধ করে দিচ্ছে। MIS-এর যেটা রিটায়ারমেন্ট, তাদের সমস্ত সুযোগ সুবিধাগুলো কেড়ে নিচ্ছে যা ছিল। এমন একটা জিনিস আজ অবধি সে করলো না ক্ষমতায় আসার পর, যেটা জনগণের পক্ষে যাচ্ছে। প্রত্যেকটা জনবিরোধী কার্যকলাপ সে নিচ্ছে এবং একটা জাদুমন্ত্র মানুষের মধ্যে দিয়ে আছে, মানুষকে বিভ্রান্ত করতে চাইছে। হিন্দু 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 এই হিন্দুত্বের কথা বলেও সে আবার অলরেডি এনআরসি চালু করছে। এনআরসির মূল উদ্দেশ্যই হচ্ছে মানুষের মধ্যে বিভাজন তৈরি করা। আর যেটা বলা হচ্ছে, ওরা বলেছে যে এনআরসির মধ্য দিয়ে হিন্দু, শিখ, বৌদ্ধ, খ্রিস্টান, পার্সি এদের কোনো বিতরণ হবে না। কিন্তু আমরা আসামে কি দেখলাম, 20 লক্ষ মানুষ, তার মধ্যে 12 লক্ষ হিন্দু, তারা হয়ে গেছে বিদেশি, 6 লক্ষ মুসলিম আর 4 লক্ষ অন্যান্য সম্প্রদায়ের মানুষ। তাদেরকে রাখার জন্য ডিটেনশন ক্যাম্প, সেই রাষ্ট্রীয় যেমন ক্যাম্প ছিল।
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Former President Pranab Mukherjee, son of Abhijit Mukherjee, on Monday joined the Trinamool Congress in Kolkata. After joining the TMC, Mukherjee said that she had full faith in the leadership qualities of Mamata Banerjee. The way Mamata Banerjee handled the recent communal wave by BJP, I believe that in the future, with the support of others, she could be able to do the same in the entire country. He added, I had not been included in any group or position of the Congress party except primary membership. Therefore, I have joined TMC as a soldier and will work accordingly with the party instruction. I will work to maintain integrity and circular. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Special train to run between Sialda and Lokmanya Tilak terminus, Asansol, to clear the extra rush of passenger traffic. A fully reserved super special train to run between Sialda and Lokmanya Tilak terminus. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. In the light of news of continuous sand mining from River Ghat, the Purulia District Administration has issued a ban on sand extra from all River Ghat of district from Monday. A directory has also been issued in the regard. It's noteworthy that despite taking all measures, sand has been continuously stolen from the River Ghat. Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement. Failure is an attitude, not an outcome. Harvey Mackay. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notifications.